we make money in social media with small audience or small followers? Is it really possible? In YouTube, I started my video, my very first video, as you can see there. That was 6 years ago. But the problem is I didn't continue posting videos. I am more active in Facebook, to be honest. But and then I'm not also consistent posting my videos. This is the only followers I have in Facebook. It's not a lot, but still I made some. And this is the amount of money I made in Facebook. It's not a lot because I'm just a small content creator. Biggest regrets for me not posting regularly or consistently in YouTube, because YouTube is one of my favorite social media platform. Yes, guys, because I always watch videos every single day in So the number YouTube. One key in social media so you can make a little extra money online is to post video consistently. Thank you guys for watching. This is Lalaine Bati, and take care everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.